PageIndex is a new reasoning-based vectorless RAG framework that performs retrieval in two steps. Generate a tree structure index of documents, perform reasoning-based retrieval through tree search. Compared to traditional vector-based RAG, PageIndex features no vectors needed, no chunking needed, human-like retrieval, transparent retrieval process.
During the parsing phase of the local page index, when we upload the PDF processing pipeline get activated and local page index create the tree structure out of the PDF, and the titles and summaries get stored into the structured JSON tree. Conversational chat history and the session memory also get stored into the JSON tree. During the retrieval phase in the local page index, when user asks a question, the vectorless retrieval happens and relevant tree node is selected by the LLM. Then light LLM provides the abstraction to the local LLM. In our case, it's Qwen2.5. And then local LLM generates the answer and provide it to the user as the response. This would be the data flow in local page index with Ollama. So let's start building our today's project. You can download and install the Ollama from here. I have already installed the Ollama in my local system. I can verify the Ollama on the PowerShell with this command. So Ollama is running successfully in my system. We can pull the Qwen 2.5 7 billion model with this command. This command execution takes some time, so I have already pulled this model into my local system, and inside Ollama I can see this model is available for the use. If I go to drop down all the available models, I can see here which are available for the use. This is my GitHub repository. So first of all, I will clone this repository into my local system with this command. I will go to repo which has been downloaded locally. So this is the local directory where I have cloned this repository. Inside it, this is the .env file. This is the content of the .env file. I will now create the virtualized environment in this directory using this command. I need to now activate this. I will now install the requirements for this project using this command. I can verify the local LLM with this command. Control D to exit. This is my PDF which I'm going to process with the page index today. I'm having the limited amount of RAM and the GPU, so I'm using the single page PDF. If you are having the more GPU and the RAM, you can use the large PDF also. I will give the command to process this PDF. PDF processing with local page index using local LLM has been completed. If I go to project directory, in the result, it has saved the JSON file out of that PDF after the processing. Now it's time to ask the questions from our PDF. So I will execute this file to ask the questions from the JSON file which has been created out of that PDF. I will ask the first question. I will now ask the second question from my document to the local page index. I will now ask the third question from my document to the local page index. So my local page index is working perfectly and I am getting the answers from my PDF. By this way, you can set up the local vectorless RAG using the local LLM and you can chat with your document. All the commands used in this video I have pasted in one notepad and that notepad has been uploaded into the GitHub repository and that GitHub repository link is available in the description section. While practicing this project, if you find any type of difficulty, you can ask me in the comment section. I will definitely answer to your query. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.